the ski mask to school. The F1 Speed Performance grand opening. We're going to Main Street. Other Boot Hill salute.
It's the only one.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to your most non-consistent moto vlogger, Nicky Nunchuck. Guaranteed that will change in the future. In this video are the Only Bagger boys head to Daytona 1 Foot Performance grand opening, where we're selling merch, watching stunt shows, and just having fun, getting rowdy, guys. Follow the Only Baggers page on Instagram. All links will be in the description. And thanks for watching the video, guys. Peace.
Alright, I'll see you in a second. Daytona bound.
Only Baggers.
Let's go. It's putting that thing in the trunk. This is a crazy looking gas station. Made it to Daytona, baby. Boys, what you got, bro?
Beers.
The essential.
Got the tent set up. Boot Hill Saloon. What's going down? Hi, Nick.
Get any more friends? They lined me up.
Wish you good pup. Hello.
The stranger.
Alright, that was last time on the pit.
Yes.
It's so difficult. What up, Garrett?
What up, buddy? We got Only Baggers out here. We can check out the stunt shows. Wear the ski mask to school!
That was a good hot dog, man. Let me tell you, this scene way different than Chicago scene. Daytona is wild, and I fucking love it.
Only Baggers, follow Only Baggers on Instagram.
I'll wait on you. I'm here for you. Wait, I'm here for you.
Thank you, Doug.
Yeah. You got your trailer queen. Is it good? Your trailer queen's good. Awesome. All right. I'm aiming for people's bikes, just so we're clear. What?
hot as a bitch. Yeah, that sun's going down.
We are here in Daytona 2023. We're at the F1 Speed Performance grand opening. We're out here with
Only baggers.
and fucking Doug and fucking Patrick. We're out here with fucking everybody, bro. Bring your bike. We don't give a shit what you ride. Come out here, Newsom Law. We're having a good time.
Newsom lawn. Get your lawn mowed.
Lawn mowers. Bring a chainsaw.
Big Newton. Come and get it.
Sir, Nicky Nunchuck out here. Edward Twisty Hands. My God, Edward Twisty Hands. She made it. It's nighttime over here at Blue Hill Saloon. Good times.
Only baggers is the
Last tent open. Follow Only Baggers. The coolest motherfucking bike brand you will know. We're going to Main Street. Other Boot Hill Saloon on Main Street, just like Daytona Bike Week. Shout out Bullet.
Shout out Bullet.
Man. First guy I ever seen with a hook hand.
It's the only one in the world.
Hell yeah, dude. Respect. Let's show it, show it. There it is. Yeah. Shit. Hell yeah, bro. Respect. Below the channel, new subscriber, my fucking boy. Yes, sir. 3. Yeah, it's 7-Eleven pizza.
Yeah, that's good.
No, it's not good.
It's fine.
3 sad fucks.
Yeah, window spinning off on the highway type
I'm
shit.
great. I don't know about you, sad bugs. You guys sit in the back seat and
I was just
cry
making sure
and
if he was riding with us or not.
No.
beat off together. I don't give a fuck.
I let them out. My dog decides to
That
shit
bitch,
on the
yeah,
concrete
that
right
bitch.
beside my fucking bike when I'm like trying to sort it out. Like, you asshole.
Obviously.
Are you taking an Uber or something?
I hope they both take Ubers. I'm just gonna drive them on.
Oh.